Hello there. This is the weather update for this upcoming week. So I'm just going to give a very quick update. So the southwest monsoon has withdrawn from the entire country as of October 28th, and that is actually very clear from this chart, which is the IMD-GFS model 850 HPA wind chart. As you can see, this anticyclone has settled over the northern, and western parts of India, also eastern parts of India, which means that the ITCZ or the monsoon trough has shifted down. So that has signaled the withdrawal of monsoon from the entire country. And also, side by side, the northeast monsoon has also made its entry, especially over the South India. Okay, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala, and parts of Andhra Pradesh. So that is why you can see that there is a low-level cyclonic circulation, which is here in the Bay of Bengal, and that will only give rains to the southern parts of India. Mostly moderate rains is what is expected for the next 1 week, because not very much active conditions are existing right now for the northeast monsoon to give very heavy rains, widespread heavy rains. Okay, so it is right now in a weak state. Okay, for the next 1 week at least. And the monsoon trough, if you see, ITCZ has moved down. So the ITCZ location approximately is somewhere here, because that's where the easterlies and the westerlies are kind of meeting. Okay, so this is the westerly and this is the easterly. So that's where they are meeting. So the monsoon trough axis is passing only through South India. That's why the northeast monsoon is very active. If you look at the satellite image, you can see dry air most of the places. Only the moist air is present only in the Bay of Bengal and also some parts of South India. So winter has made its entry, and that is also very clear from this. In most parts of India, winter has made its entry except for South India. North India is already experiencing some cooler weather. At least minimum temperatures have dropped. Central India also is experiencing some drop in the minimum temperature, including West Coast as well. And the reason is because if you see the jet stream, which is what is the reason for these cold air to penetrate from high altitude to low altitudes, or high latitudes to low latitudes. If you can see, this is dipping down. This is the jet stream, polar jet stream at 300 HPA. That will intrude the cold air, causing an instability between the upper layer and the lower layers, and that is why you are experiencing some pleasant weather in most of the places in India, in north and northwest and central India. So the upcoming weekend may have there is a chance of some reduction in the temperature, and slowly, gradually, the winter transition will go into the winter time season, which is there will be fog and all those things. Okay, so this is the update for this coming week. I'll be back with more updates later. Thank you.